Hello. Today I wanted to learn how to make really good hash browns, so I watched a tutorial and I thought I'd try to do it from memory before I forgot. I have a russet potato here. I'm only going to cook one potato in case I screw up. First, you must peel the potato. The next step is to shred the potato directly into water. This washes the starch off the potatoes and it prevents oxidation, which makes it look unappetizing. See the cloudy water? That's all the starch. We're going to want to rinse these a couple times until the water turns out clear. Once we've cleaned our potatoes, we want to lay them out to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll wait 10 minutes. So I guess you want to be cooking these on medium to medium high. And I'm going to use both oil, this is an olive oil, and butter. A big chunk of butter. Apparently, this is how to get them diner style. So we're going to try. Our oil and butter mixture is ready to go. We're going to place our potatoes in there. And we're going to leave them for 5 minutes. We're also going to cover our taters. This is going to help. Our 5 minutes have passed. Let's see what we have here. Well, those are looking interesting. Let's give them a season and flip them over. After flipping, we'll want to cook them for an additional 2 minutes, covered. Here's our finished product. It's a nice color. It's crispy. Seems mostly cooked. I guess let's see how it tastes. It's good.